Since 1976, the Weatherization Assistance Program has been working. Like the sun dawning across the horizon, we are part of an energy awakening. And in 2009, we entered a new era of opportunity with specialized funding from the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act, which enabled us to reach more than 600,000 households, including over 120,000 multifamily units in just 2 years. That brings the total households served to over 7 million since the inception of the Weatherization Assistance Program. Through our mission to serve families, we have also been credited with the employment of over 15,000 workers during the Recovery Act. That is over 15,000 workers that have been acquiring the skills and the command of technologies. Over 15,000 workers, many of whom had never worked in an energy efficiency program before. Over 15,000 workers prepared to apply these skills to make the most of the future opportunities, working in jobs that can never be exported, and delivering the improved efficiency and savings that weatherization presents. Your services have reached households of all shapes, sizes, and locations, from mobile homes to uptown high-rises, to single-family homes, to mid-rise complexes. You have been upgrading housing stock that desperately needed our attention. You have made families more comfortable by air sealing their homes and installing insulation. You have kept children warm in winter and cool in summer by replacing heating and AC systems. You have made the improvements that aided family budgets by decreasing utility costs through increased efficiency. But even after the surge of resources since 2009, there is more that needs to be done. The 7 million families we have served represent only a fraction of the 38.6 million families that qualify for the Weatherization Assistance Program. These are homes like the ones you've seen before, homes in immediate need of weatherization. But what we all recognize is that the need doesn't stop with low-income families. The need extends to more than 70 million more families that don't qualify for this program, but would still benefit from living in more energy-efficient housing, reducing utility costs, and minimizing the environmental impact. You are the highly skilled workforce with specialized training to meet these needs. As the new construction industry picks up, you take the building science into that market. You will build better and more efficient homes. As renovations and refurbishing projects expand, you bring to those projects key information on the impact of changing the house, how the house works as a system, and what the impact of changes might have on the house's performance. The Recovery Act served as a catalyst, building a skilled workforce with training in areas as diverse as high-tech phones and infrared assessment, to Energy Star awareness and solar water heating, to efficient lighting. Our trained specialists are providing service in locations that range from the Pacific Islands to the Navajo Nation, to the Northern Plains, to our biggest cities, and to rural America. You have the expertise in health and safety issues related to the home and how to deal with warm, cold, arid, and moist climates. You know how to pack the right gear for the job, how to insulate walls, how to keep out moisture and mold, to keep the heat in during the coldest winter, and to keep the heat out during the hottest summer. Daily, you are demonstrating the specialized skills that contractors across the country need to add to their toolboxes. You are getting the jobs done in ways that inspire consumer confidence. A new energy awareness has dawned across America. How will you help move our nation towards this new horizon?